Got. 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 What a huge got. Got.
Alam mo yung yung nag-viral dati na parang med student ang nag-aaral habang UAC. Tayo yun.
Fuck, man. Tangin na kahit sa most Oh my god, they got the grinds at bro, the Sigma grinds. Yo.
Bro, joints and arrow, bro.
Yeah.
Joint. I'm a study for this, bro.
Habang nagmumosh.
God. Fucking crazy, bro. No check.
I'm not sure I have one more friend on my go though. So yeah. I'm not sure if he'll make it though.
Woo!
I've been working.
Wow! It's fucking crazy.
Apparently 30 is in Imahin right now, eh?
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yo, y'all heard of the copy pasta shit, right? The Ilalad shit?
I actually heard it a while ago. I was like, what the hell's going on?
I know, right, bro? Yung kay Ilalad, yung nagano siya ng copy pasta, tas inano siya. Ayun
I can't believe it made the headline. I know. Make a headline.
I know, right? Bro, fucking crazy as shit. So we got Dave here, the one and only. Wow! So, paano ba na yung JRC? Saan ba nagsimula?
Nagsimula yung JRC kasi gusto ko gumawa ng collective kung saan art collective siya na graffiti, lahat ng street culture, kunwari hip-hop, graffiti, skateboarding, mga ganun, tapos at the same time progressive siya. Sakto yung mga tropa din ito, mga ganun na din, nag-skate, mga birthday.
Yo! It's the birthday dude! Yo!
Ayun nga, tapos ayun, nakatuwa kasi lahat ng mga JRC ngayon, mga organized na mga nakasali na sa mga NDMOs, democratic organizations. Yung at least yung art namin na ginagawa, may laman, political siya. Ayun, tsaka isa way din na para manghamig sa mga katulad namin na mahilig sa mga ganong interest. Sa mga punk music, hip-hop, mga ganon, na ayun, nabuo namin yun. Sa dumadami-dami na kami. So sa siya, dati sub-collective ng Paniki.
Angas naman nun. Ito naman, may tatanungin nun ako. Kung meron kang kinakain na ulam na yun, anong kinakain mo?
Ngayon,
Oo.
ako wala kasi akong gana kumain ngayon kasi yung sakit eh.
Yeah.
Wala akong gustong kainin ngayon.
Wow, emo talaga eh, no? Yeah! Yo, Mikey Epa lang ako. Ba't North Sentinel yung pangalan ng banda mo?
Kasi di ba may island na North Sentinel tapos walang nakatira doon. Ata. Yun yung pagkakaintindi ko. Kasi di ba North Sentinel emo band siya? Yun, parang makakonekta mo na din yun. Yun.
Sige.
Yun sabi ni Kensley. Siya kasi bumuo nung band, si Kensley.
I see. Pangalawa, sa Electric Fan, ano yung favorite number mo doon?
Putang ina. Kasi ako mabilis ako pagpawisan, kaya number 3 lagi yun. Sa totoo lang.
Tapos last but not least, kung meron kang conspiracy theory na iniisip mo na yun, ano yun?
Yung best? Wala akong naisip ngayon eh, pero wala talaga.
Wala talaga. Oo.
Bakit Angelo pangalan mo?
Ewan ko.
Bakit? Oh, sige.
Okay.
Bakit mo nagustuhan yung genre Scrubs?
Nagustuhan ko siya kasi TikTok boy ako eh.
Ha?
TikTok boy ako eh.
Doon mo siya na-discover. Ayos ka.
Tapos one last thing na matatanong ako sa'yo. Kung meron kang kinakain na ulam, anong kinakain mo ngayon?
Ngayon?
Oo.
Lechon bis.
Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah, man.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Let's go, mag-garlic bread kayo lang.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hey, go ahead some more. Yeah, thank you guys for coming over. Sobrang simple lang yung premise. I just want to put up a show with all the bands that I really like, mostly new and upcoming bands. And ano ba bang mga announcements? Buy beer at the bar, support the venue, mosh responsibly, do not fucking crowd kill, do not be a fucking jackass, enjoy the night. And ano ba ba? Merong art market sa taas, so if you guys wanna get some art, get some stickers, you may head upstairs. And once you're done with that, you guys can go downstairs and yeah, enjoy the rest of the night. Sobrang mahaba yung gabi. Mga 8 bands. We have Walk Trip.
Yeah!
We have Cheeky Things.
Yeah!
We have Watch the World Turn. What else? We have Cherry Focus. And what else? What else? We have Catboy Jeepney Drivers.
Yeah!
And what else? What else? We have Emotion Engine. And
Yeah!
and yeah, and we have Chain Messages. So
Yeah!
I don't know who that is, pero what they just announced earlier, meron daw pa-premios. If you guys stay here, meron kayong pa-premio. You guys are eligible of winning prizes. So yeah, with that being said, this band before me, first gig nila, first show nila ever, so make some noise for Sister Christine. if you're a drama.
Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no! What are your thoughts on this? What are your thoughts on what they're doing? Fuck, bro! Pretty fun! Get ourselves canceled here, man. Alright, so take two. Yeah, Sister Christine, sick ass shit. Yeah, so first question, what got you off to start and what was your origination to Sister Christine? Like the name?
So Sister Christine, I was just thinking of some like gospel like holy names and all that just because I wanted to like make something interesting. And in the end, I told my friend Crick about this. They were like, "Oh, dude, I thought of something like Saint Helen." I was like, "Yo,
Yes, that shit.
both on that Christianity shit. Sister Christine, Saint Helen. We made a song. It's not out. Maybe we should drop it. But like, that's the hope. I actually did it myself. Dave, Rome, these are my bandmates. Jordan is not here.
Yeah.
And we'll say hi to him.
Hello.
Hi, Jordan. Nice to know you. And all four of us, I've met them from other places. I've met them from my school, from school as well. And in the end, we just
Different schools from different schools.
and in the end, right? Sister Christine came as a different idea that I had. I thought was making pop music. So I actually started with hyper pop.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. I mean, it's pretty cool because, like, as you said, with the whole Christian vibe and stuff, it's kind of nice seeing that with the fact that you blended it with the modern music today. It's pretty cool, man. Cool shit. So, outside of that, what would you say are your biggest influence up to date?
For Sister Christine in particular, I love Julie. Shout out Julie. Of course, the regular My Bloody Valentine. I love listening to my friends like Rory Fuller, shout out Rory. An old friend named Quanic.
Oh, fucking hell, man. Quanic, goated, bro.
If my internet shoegazing the way it is. Of course, Jane Remover from Dead Air as well. That's the vibes that I'm on.
Oh yeah, man, it's pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, let's wrap it up with two more things. First of all, how does it feel being at this gig?
I didn't expect to be crazy enough, like, you know, this is his first time.
Oh shit.
This is his first time performing.
First time performing both.
And also first time, like, seeing it.
Oh!
This is first
That's
time.
insane!
It was the first time for me in every aspect. I decided, crowd's there, I'm just gonna have my fun. Not really out to see moshing, dancing, having fun with music. It felt amazing. I didn't expect that to actually happen, but that's so great.
I know, right? It's so sick, man. Alright, so the last thing I want to ask, if you could be either one, which one would you consent between the two? Would you rather have I Want the Deftones Girl son? Or would you rather have I Want a Weezer Rivers Cuomo partner daughter?
Is abortion justified?
You!
I don't know. That's all. Deftones side.
Deftones girl. Alright, so yeah, this wraps it up. Sister Christine again.
Buy our shirt.
Yeah, check the shirt.
Zornas. Follow us on Instagram.com/zornas.co. This is
Yeah.
my shirt with it.
Yeah. So this is Ken of Fragile, right? Hell yeah. So saan ba nag-originate yung Fragile?
Wala, actually hindi ko alam kasi hindi, alam ko pala kasi ako isa sa mga nag-design doon kasi if pinafollow nyo kami before yung parang una pa lang, sobrang haba ng pangalan namin, para siyang chat GPT-as name. Like, parang yung napag-decision namin para mas madali siyang maalala. We just took the Fragile dun sa mahabang pangalan na yun. And then, ayun, that's just how it became Fragile.
Oh. So, paano ka naman nakakonect sa JRC naman? At paano ka rin doon, how did you meet Dave and like Ella and those kinds of people? Paano mo ba sila nakilala?
Just like everyone else, online, I met in the Zil GC, like fans ni Zil, si Elijah and si Dave. Tapos, they like invited me sa gig nila. It's just a small gig actually. parang 20 people lang ata nandun, sobrang liit. So, I had the chance to socialize with them. Ayun, tapos from then on, last year pa yun eh. It's been a year, more than a year na. And then from then on, parang, ayun na, sunod-sunod na, parang halos gig kami-kami na magkakasama. And after nung paniki, and doon na parang nagbuhay yung JRC and Scraps and all that.
Alright. So, sa lahat ng mga member ng JRC or Scraps, sino sa tingin mo yung pinaka-akas na member doon?
Pinakamaas na member, JRC.
Oh.
Shoutout, Bonbon Libay.
Oh, shout out. Oh, last question. Pag meron kang kinakain na yun, ano yung kinakain mo?
Ngayon,
Oo.
Bau-Bau sa mo, sa
Yeah.
Kowloon.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Amen. Oh, yeah.
Di ba kayo?
Yeah, what's going on here?
I'm doing great.
Yeah.
He's pissing himself.
Holy shit! Oh my god, man.
Dude, we're trying to it's only like 6:30. You already got people pissing themselves.
Mind if you want to introduce yourself?
My name is Jaime. I love DA.
Oh, hell yeah, man. Dap me up. Yeah. Oh, you lift? Do you lift, bro?
Yeah.
What's your PR? What's your squat bench?
PR?
Yeah.
Squat PR has to be 150 kg.
Holy shit.
Did you piss
Bench.
I nearly shit myself.
Holy
I
shit.
damn near shit myself.
Oh my
I
god.
was like, it's the reverse of clenching.
Yeah, bro, that's fucking crazy. Dude, fun fact, during Most X, this guy fucking pushed the shit out of me, man. I was like, dude, this guy definitely lifts. Holy shit. That's why I wanted to ask, bro. Yeah, man. That's why I was asking. So, what's your bench PR, bro?
Bench PR, not much. My chest is weak. That's gonna be 75 kg.
Oh, shit. Okay, how about deadlift?
Deadlift PR, 175.
Holy shit. Alright, so what is your biggest pet peeve when it comes to like managing the crowd and these kinds of gigs? What's your biggest pet peeve?
Biggest pet peeve has to be people dropping their vapes because
Oh.
that gets filthy.
Yeah.
Also, another pet peeve, people moshing with their beers. It spills.
Oh, fucking hell on the Most X, bro.
I hate a sticky floor. That's the worst thing.
Yeah, man.
This, like, as somebody who's supposed to be crowd control, there are more people falling and they're getting their asses wet, and it's not good. It's not a good time for.
Yeah, it doesn't help with the fact that, you know, you would get fucking shards of glass up your ass and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so last question. Who do you think is the coolest member of TFL?
Coolest member of TFL. Coolest member of TFL. Shout out to Habibi, aka the guy of the bossy on Facebook.
Yeah.
Love, bro.
Alright, anyway, appreciate the time. Hell yeah, man.
Forever feeling like a dog, what's gonna happen? This is what you're gonna try. It's because Huwag magalaman, ikaw ang ikot. Ikaw sa may isip, kaya somebody, somebody like I just wanna be your lover. I know I wanna be starting back. Hindi wala kang tulad, sa'yo hindi ka mabulat. Pero nabulat, mabulat, sa'yo, lahat ang gusto mo. Kahit mo wala ka sa'kin, magdawag, hindi magloloko.
Alright, so, take two. We got Catboy GP drivers. Yeah, solid ass hyper pop shit, bro. Fucking go to the sound, check them out. So yeah, first question, paano ba nagano yung Catboy GP drivers? So basically, it's like a two-part story to it. But I'll tell the first one now. So basically, I was grade 12, it was my grade 12. Start lang ulit ng face-to-face, galing pandemic. Tapos, I remember it was my second day in class. So, pauwihan na ako. I live in the province of Laguna, so uwihan ko noon, it was 2:30, which was considered early. So, most schools like go at 4.
Shout out Laguna.
Yeah! So basically, pauwi na ako noon. Ako lang mag-isa na sa jeep. Tapos, you know yung mga jeep days, hindi ko 2 miles para mas makauwi. Mas maraming tao sumakay nila. So, nag-stop si Kuya sa jeep. Ito yung ginawa niya. Meow! Nag-stop siya, nag-meow siya. Natinaw sa kanya, kami lang dalawa. Tapos tumapit pa ako sa kanya, pero nagkumik po sa wala. So like in my head, I'm so ready for Catboy GP drive. I made an epic post about that.
So, out of all sa mga gigs mo, ano yung parang pinaka-memorable para sa inyo? Pinaka-memorable ng gigs mo? Kasi dami yung tinutog eh. From the UPMC events to yung mga events ng Panike, etc. Ano ba yung pinaka-memorable sa lahat ng bands?
Ako na lang.
Ay, sige, may one choice.
Ano ako eh, may favoritism. Siguro, I think, yeah, yun, yung mismo yung UP MC na gig.
Shout out to
we had
UPMC.
another one, yung sa Cherry Society, single release. Those two gigs personally are like my favorite gigs. Kasi parang may kanya-kanya silang appeal sa akin. Yung sa UPMC, I'm so nervous para the entire time.
Kasi also then, at that time, wala din talaga kami. Ito sa first gig na walang tulong.
Oo. Wala kami.
Surprise kami sa sports.
Parang people were like joking. Parang sumasayaw din sila. Ganyan. So we were so shocked. Parang nadala na lang din kami. Parang it was one of our best performances. Lalo na parang sa bandang huli, naubusan na kami ng oras. So we had to cut it off. Ayun. parang kinaka-cut off na dapat tayo kaya tinuloy na.
Oo. Yung kwento nun, kina-cut off na kami, parang okay, tapos na parang, tapos okay, nagpapatigil na, thank you guys, tapos sabi ko, binubulungan ko siya, kaya meron pa tayo isa, may Bimitski. Hindi ko alam na kina-cut off na pala kami. So, yun. Parang kaming rock star, pero hindi naman. Unaware lang. Ayan. Pero cover namin.
Pinaka-memorable game para sa inyo.
May kotse.
May kotse, sige, usap tayo muna. Beep, beep, beep.
Pinaka-memorable gig nyo.
Sa akin,
Yeah.
ano, yung sa Rabbit Hole.
Oh.
Yun yung Cherry Society.
Shout out Share Society, my lovely one.
This is been Military Society, basis mo ng GT drivers.
Yeah.
Ang hambal niya.
Uy! Ano pangalan mo ulit? Ikaw yung nagano sa draw ko ako doon na nagano yung isintasan? Oh, yeah. Nakita kita kasi doon eh. Akas doon. Yeah. Alright, so siguro last question. Kung may kinakain kayo, anong kinakain nyo ngayon?
Ngayon, munggo tsaka pork chop. Pinag-usapan namin kanina yan. Munggo tsaka pork chop.
Okay, solid. Ikaw, anong kinakain mo ngayon? Meron kang kinakain.
8 second.
Ako nakain ko Kowloon Shaw My House. Ay, Shaw My House. Kowloon Shaw My. Kowloon Shaw My.
Lalo nag-iisip mo. Mag-isip. Ikaw, Nathan.
Ikaw.
Pork chop tsaka munggo rin.
Walang munggo.
Walik, pre.
Alright, this is Catboy GT Drivers. Check it out, Spotify, SoundCloud, whatever. Solid sila. Wow! Any future projects na gusto niyo i-ano sa crowd? Future projects or gigs?
We're cooking.
Oh, we're cooking.
Tara, kasi lang. Sa Socialize Gate 23. Yan.
August 23.
Dito rin yan.
October 6, TBA.
Oh! Alright, yeah. Yun, alright. This is Vlad Batuki. So first question, parang sa pakiramdam mo na, how does it feel na parang inano ka ulit ang minor majority at magiging ka sa Baguio?
Na-invite?
Oh,
Siyempre, sobrang heartwarming nun na isasama pa nila kami sa tour nila sa Baguio. Kasi
Oo.
hindi pa kami nagbabaguio never. Tapos, exciting kasi siyempre di pa kami nagbabaguio eh. Di ba?
oh, di ba?
First time ko sa Baguio, tas tutugtog pa. Solid.
Solid. So, pangalawa ang gusto kong tanong, anong ibig sabihin ng Cosmic Basement?
Cosmic Basement?
Basta yung parang yung sa YouTube mo, yung cosmic shit mo, yung user. Anong ibig sabihin doon?
Basement.
Oo.
Nagko-comment pala ako. Shit. Okay, Cosmic Basement, wala siyang ibig sabihin, men.
Wala lang.
Maganda lang siya pakinggan.
Ah.
Actually, hindi ko alam kung may ibig sabihin siya, pero kasi pandemic noon, minor ako, hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa ko. So, nakalakayan ko lang na Cosmic Basement yung ginagamit ko sa mga solo shit.
Oh, I
Ginagamit
see.
lang siya.
Paano laban sabihin natin yung kantang 10? Kasi 'di ba, ikaw mismo nagsabi yung kantang 10, parang ikaw mismo nag-ano noon dati. Tapos eventually, inano mo yun sa Batuki, in-implement mo, 'di ba?
Sinulat ko siya
Yeah, 'di ba?
Cosmic Basement.
Yeah, Cosmic Basement.
Wait, in-upload ko ba yung video na yan?
Oo, parang matagal na yun eh. Hindi ko alam kung 4 years.
Okay.
Woo!
Okay, yung 10, yung 10, nasulat ko siya pandemic actually. Lahat naman ng karamihan ng songs na nasa Spotify, sa YouTube. Produkto lang yun ng ng isolation.
Oh, I see.
Tsaka yun doon. May certain inspirations lang yun at that time.
Oh.
Parang binibigyan ko siya as snapshot ng kung paano ako mag-isip at that time. So yung kantang yun, tsaka in the streets, yung fine
Oh,
lines.
yun, yeah.
So, ayun. Interesting insight siya sa personality ko. Na kahit ako, napapano, parang, ganun pala ako dati.
Ano naman? kamusta naman, parang how proud are you with your reprise of Fine Lines? Kamusta naman doon?
Sobrang nakaka-proud yun kasi ayun na yung sobrang niya na sobrang doon mo makikita yung A and B na parang ito yung luma, ito yung dating skills ko, ito yung dating skills sa lahat, kunyari, sa pag-mix, sa pag-produce, sa pagkanta, kasi I do all that shit Tapos ngayon, naginawan namin siya ng reprise na bago, nakaka-release lang last week. Kita-kita mo yung difference. Napahingga mo na ba?
Solid ka eh.
Kahit ako, proud na proud ako. Feeling ko kahit yung sinulat ko siya na 16 ako 21 na ako. So, siguro nung 16 years old self ko, siguro hindi nyo may imagine na parang, putang ina, ikaw nag-mix niyan. Ikaw nagsulat niyan, ikaw kumanta yan. Kasi hindi ako ganun dati, hindi ako ganun ka, like, hello. Ayun. So, long story short, nakaka-proud. Kasi, it's about, pinabalidate niya yung small steps ko. Parang gano'n.
Solid. Alright, last question. Anong favorite dinosaur mo?
Oh, shit! Brachiosaurus, man. Mahaba yung leeg. Meron ako nun sa bahay. Pag pupunta ka sa bahay lang.
Gagi, solid.
Meron ako nun, wait. May picture ako nun
Yeah, pakita nga.
Mapapakita niyo nasa buko. Pero may picture ako nun, Brachiosaurus yung kumakain ng leaves.
Solid.
Ewan ko kung bakit. Mahilig ako sa mga malalaking bagay
Uy!
Nung bata ako, mahilig ako sa mga gigantic shit na...
Anong gigantic shit? Ano?
Mga dinosaur na malalaki.
Mga kaiju.
Yung mga gano'n na mga...
Godzilla,
Diba?
King Kong.
Kasi imagine mo dalawang bagay na nag-aaway, tapos nasisira yung mga building.
Wala Godzilla vs King Kong, di ba?
Bata ako. Wait lang, papakita ko sa iyo yung picture ko
Pakita natin.
Brachiosaurus. Ang interesting na tinanong mo yun kasi may picture talaga ako nun Wait.
Hindi magkakaroon.
Shit.
Uy, si Venom Si Venom!
Hanapin ko muna. No, di ko makita. I'm sorry.
Yeah, basta. TBA. TBA na lang.
Yeah.
Magulat ka na lang,
Send ko na lang sa'yo. Lagay mo dito.
Yeah, sige. Anyway, Vlad, nice meeting you. Salo, minor majority, Baguio. Check yo. And Fine Lines, stream that shit, bro. Yeah.
Thank you, man.
We're gonna play some songs for y'all. We're Emotion Engine, and we hope you guys have a good time. Biggie, put a hole in that shit.
Time and time again, you say the word they don't want it, man. Be a joking look, like our line, better hook. On a new concept, we push up. But this time, take a cut on our back of the high. I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
So, we managed to stumble upon Emotion Engine here. Sick ass performance, bro. Holy fucking shit, man. Yeah. So, how did Emotion and Engine start?
Emotion Engine. It's just the homies, man. We just played. I don't know.
Yeah.
We wanted to make a band and we wanted to make a band with our friends, so we just did a band with the homies.
Oh, I see. Well, how about the name though? Where did the name start?
It's kind of a long story.
Oh, well,
Like, well,
feel free to tell us then.
I had like a shit post like Twitter, like a private Twitter.
Yeah.
And in physics, there's this concept called a perpetual motion machine.
Oh,
which is it's
shit.
impossible to have
Yeah.
a machine that is
Yeah,
powers
that it
itself with
constantly
yeah.
moves, yeah.
So I was just like, oh wow, like little pun. It's the perpetual emotion engine.
Yeah.
So it was a Twitter tag for like a while, and then we made the band. It was like, what about just perpetual emotion engine? And then we realized that the initials would be P, like PEE, and I was like, I don't want that. So we just dropped the P, and it became emotion engine.
That's pretty sick. So out of all, like, let's say the covers or the songs that you've done, what would you say is like the proudest you have performed live? Out of all the songs that you've performed as a
I
band.
don't know. We kind of just started. Our first
Oh,
gig was
for
in
real?
May.
Damn.
So we're still kind of like figuring stuff out.
Oh,
trying stuff out.
shit. Well,
Yeah.
if that's the case, then out of all the gigs, as you starting out, what would you say is your most memorable one?
That's the thing, like, cause we just started, every like gig
Oh.
is the best one.
Hell yeah.
If that makes sense. Where it's like, no, this is
Yeah.
our favorite, you know?
Okay.
Last night we played at Sorry, and that was our favorite. So like every new gig is the favorite.
It's like a new experience, right?
We're just like,
That's
oh,
pretty
wow,
sick,
that was
man.
cool.
Yeah. So, what kind of, like, let's say music or in like bands or like, let's say any sort of media has got you to, go like, oh, I want to go start playing music or
So for me, when I was a kid, it was like Fall Out Boy and Simple Plan.
Oh wow.
And then when it was in college, I found this band called The Story So Far.
Oh hell yeah, that shit's sick.
I love them. They're from, because me and my sister are from California, from the Bay Area.
Yeah.
And they're from like the same like neighborhood that we grew up in. So I don't know, their sound just like spoke to me. I was like, I feel like this guy says what I want to say,
Yeah.
the way that I want to say it. And it was just like, I have to do this for the rest of my life.
Yeah, speaking about that, how does it feel like, let's say, being a foreigner playing this kind of music to like, the Filipino crowd or whatever? The Filipino community, how does it feel to be in the Filipino music community?
We grew up kind of back and forth. I moved here when I was 12, and then I went to like high school here. Nagtatagalog naman ako.
Yeah, alam ko
Hindi ko
naman.
like high school, college.
Yeah.
Pero parang, yeah, I've always felt like I was in between things. I wasn't American enough for Americans.
Yeah, you were
enough for
yeah.
Filipinos. So I kind of just
felt like you're in the middle ground,
I have to be
right?
myself. There's nothing else. There's no other template. You know what I mean? We're kind of I gotta figure it out.
Well, so far, if that's the case, how do you feel about this whole community in
I
general?
love it, bro. I love it, bro. I've been a big like fan since I was in like high school. I was in a couple bands when I was in high school, but nothing really ever like clicked until Emotion Engine.
That's pretty sick, man. Okay, well, let's wrap it up with two things. First, if there's one band that you could ever delete from its whole existence, or let's say artist, who would you delete?
Wow, you put me on the spot. Holy shit.
You kind of want to smoke right now.
No, bro. I think everyone's important. Even if I don't like it, it's important. You know, someone else does.
Okay. Well, if that's the case, then let's kind of switch it a bit. What artist would
Rich
you...
the Kid. Sorry, Rich the Kid.
Oh, Rich the Kid. Ah.
Like every art has merit, except for Rich the Kid.
Oh, okay. Valid. Well, how about which artist would you love to collab with?
Ooh, man, probably The Story So Far.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'd love to get on a track with either anybody, like the guitarist, the singer. It's amazing.
All right, last question. What do you think is the worst kind of food ever to exist?
Ooh, fuck. I know they like it a lot.
Yeah.
My girlfriend's Japanese, so she gives me shit for this a lot, but I don't like natto.
I don't blame
really
you.
don't
That
like
shit,
that.
that
I
shit
can't.
kind of.
I get it.
especially when it's like slime and shit.
I get why they like it, but it's not for me.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. This is Emotion Engine. Check them out. Check their socials out. Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Go to that shit, man. Any future gigs you want to announce to the crowd?
We might be playing the 23rd at... Fuck, it's with Walker. Rabbit Hole. We might play Rabbit Hole. I don't know. We're not sure yet. Scheduling stuff.
All right. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. This is Emotion Engine. Check him out.
Thank you.
To him. Okay, Kajin. Kajin has something to share too. He feel like he wants to ask something.
Are you Archie the Bullet?
Oh. What do you want to tell about it?
Are you Carrot Mayor?
Oh my god!
Holy shit.
How do you know that? How do you
Well,
guys.
How?
We have to know.
we have to
It's
know.
yes and noise.
Yeah,
We
you're
have to
Emotion Engine. We have to know. All right, mind if you tell us the story about it?
We got...
No, you have
You
to.
have a song with No Rome and the guy from. Oh my god.
Holy
I'm
shit.
so sorry.
Dude,
I
it's
forgot
all
his
right.
name.
It's all right. Dude, I was so
2019, right?
surprised because
Still?
Huh? No, it's Josh.
Oh yeah, it's Josh.
So Josh is our cousin. Yeah, Josh is our cousin. And then we grew up with Rome.
dude, it's also fucking surprising because usually it's I'm the one who does this kind of shit. And this interview is like just, you know, impromptu and all. But you're here, this guy's an Emotion Engine fanboy right here. Emotion
I saw you
Engine
guys in
fanboy.
Scening Shelter.
Fuck yeah,
Yeah. This guy's an OG.
I'm gonna fucking stand this fucking band. I've been waiting for your releases.
dude. Bro, hell yeah. Okay, thank you.
OG fan right here.
It was my first time in Scening Shelter, and I got there, and you guys were like sound checking birthday, and I was like, oh my god, so good.
This guy's a
Can I
super
give you a
fan.
hug, bro?
Oh!
Thank you. What's your name again? Kajin. I have to get you one.
Yeah. New friends. Whoa! Whoa! Anyway, this is Emotion Engine again. I'm glad we managed to make this romantic moment happen. Monty!
We got Monty from Tintasan Marty.
Yeah! Oh, ikaw na magtanong ng mga bagay-bagay.
This is a surprise interview. We're at Rizwai's birthday.
Oh.
Trent Maxer.
Yo! Oy! Yo! Check him out! What's your name?
Soul Blue.
Soul Blue! Hey, yo! Oh. Come here. Go ask. Oh. Tanong mo na.
Ano yan?
Ano? Ano ba tatanong mo?
How was the process of making the EP?
Oh.
One shot lang yun! Anong EP? Kagabi ko lang naisipan.
You should stream it on SoundCloud. It's like Mont1 exclamation point. Stream it on SoundCloud.
Meron pa ako isang tanong. What is worse? Drake apologist or Hemabi apologist?
Both.
Wow!
Bye guys!
Bye-bye!
I'ma drop it like 12 right behind me. 60 young nigga been solid. 24 niggas always deep behind me. Cause green on a nigga head, niggas around me. You the city song, so the niggas been lying. Niggas act rich, but they walk like I'm homie. Still head rich, we still pay homage. Super turn that to a dot for the comments. F450, super duty, it's a conquer. Run around with pitch up like Contra. Try to say my name like a mantra. Gang that I'm with, they'll kill, they ain't friendly. They ain't on me cause it's simple. She see me in the wild, I'ma get into the money. Where you from? Middle fingers on 6 side, go crush your head like a baby. What's going on, little nigga? What's going on? I can't do I need to do
Ano to? Ano to?
Bigay
The song is Bloom in the Pocket. Got my Audio Technicas on, commuting home again. Walking jaded, sun's going down. I'm passing by you from you. Right on you. Tonight I see the teenage ghosts, and I put in the pocket of the oh, shop stories point to back and still live a short life on life. Even with my life, but in a fraction that the devil's very
Yo, makiki-epal muna ako. How do you think, introduce yourselves.
Introduce yourself.
Para tong first day of class.
Oh.
Joke lang. Kahit ano.
Ano ba eh? I'm Claire.
Okay.
Nico.
Wow. Wow! Kamusta kanina? How's the gig so far?
It's fun.
Oh.
Super fun.
Sino sa team mo? Parang anong pinaka-highlight?
Catbird Yuki driver so far.
Wow. Very nice. Ano? Carbonara or spaghetti?
Carbonara.
Yay. Oh. Yeah, I haven't heard your answer yet. Ikaw? Ano?
I don't like either.
Fair.
I said, okay, 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 okay.
Yo, check it out. It's the power couple of Midwest Emo. Oh! You know, ano? Kamusta itong event na to? Very good. Ano?
Check out the merches.
You know? Ano, tawag dyan? Kakarating nyo lang, no? How was it going here? How was it going here?
It was fine.
Traffic ba?
Traffic and napagod sa Pampanga.
Oh.
Away from Pampanga.
Sige, last question. Anong mas pangit? Drake apologies o Heba B apologies?
Drake.
Abi.
Drake Abby. Drake Abby.
Check it out. Di sila nawawala. Burmans na. Burmans, babalik sila.
Hiatus muna kami. Let's work on the album. Also, listen to New Jeans.
Yeah! 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 Whoa, what's up, man? How was it like? How was it?
How was what?
Like this?
Oh, this whole art event?
Yeah.
Oh, it's amazing. And then there's a gig downstairs. Pretty
Yeah,
cool.
man.
So, like the bands, they go like.
What's the best? What was the best band? Like out of all the bands so far, what do you think's the highlight?
Probably Emotion Machines and Cheeky Things.
Oh, hell yeah. How about you, man? Anong highlight? Same?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, so what do you think is better, carbonara or spaghetti?
Alio e olio.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Fancy, man.
Yeah, man. It's not that fancy. It's just garlic and oil.
Yeah, true. But it sounds fancy.
That is true. That's
Yeah, right?
true.
Diba? Alright, so another thing that I want to ask, would you rather have I need a Deftones girl boy, or would you rather have a Taylor Swiftie girl?
Bro, I converted my girlfriend into Deftones.
Oh.
Yeah. I made her listen to that shit and she was like, oh, this goes hard.
Oh, hell yeah.
I mean, she already got the Deftones style.
Oh,
I just made
shit.
her Deftones.
Ah, hell yeah.
Huh? I know you were hyperpop. Deftones isn't hyperpop. What? Did you just call Deftones hyperpop?
Cancel this man.
I need to listen to Deftones later. There's some.
What?
There's some hyperpop songs.
No, there isn't.
No.
It's mostly shoegaze and nu metal.
Yeah.
Shoegaze and nu metal.
Deftones
I think you're confusing with another band. Yeah. But yeah, any last words that you want to say to the
Plethora. You know why?
Why?
It means a lot.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the band Plethora.
What? That's their actual band?
Yeah, they're garbage.
Really? There's a band called Plethora? Okay.
Yeah,
Good to
and
know. Oh, no way.
yeah,
Jesus Christ.
official band by the way.
Official band by what? Okay, to be fair though, they're getting a lot of money from it. I do the same.
Okay.
I mean like the money.
Yeah, money man. It's all about the Sigma grinds, bro.
Sigma grind, skippity,
Ohio Sigma. Bro, I watched 76 episodes of Skibbity Toilet. I'm fucking cool.
Oh!
Sino? Wala, safe. Teka lang. Gusto ko muna kilalanin sino yung mga sumasayaw. Kasi meron.
Ooh, I stumbled upon these two. Whoa! Introduce yourselves.
I'm Lottie. I'm Helena.
Oh, so we're ano tawag dyan? You guys went to the art market, right? How was it?
It was really fun.
Mm.
It's a lot of things and a lot of pretty things. It's a photo booth.
Yeah.
Free photo booth.
Free photo booth, man. So, speaking about that, because you know, of course, Paper Lanterns and Moe's, it's like a venue for music, right? What do you guys listen to?
Like a genre.
Like right now, it could be anything. Like what do you what have you been listening to lately? Because of course you can't say what do you listen to because we're people. We listen to whatever we want,
Yeah.
right? That's the thing. So what have you been listening to recently?
Oasis.
Oh shit!
I love Oasis and the Front Bottoms.
Yeah, good stuff.
I love Midwest emo and indie rock.
Oh hell yeah, Midwest
Yeah.
emo, man. That's pretty good, dude. You should have been there on some of what you call that? You should check out some of the local acts here, cause like we have some Midwest emo bands. They're pretty cool, man.
Really?
Like Sintasan, North Sentinel. They're pretty cool. How about you, man? What do you listen to?
I like listening to Suicide Boys, Lil Peep,
Oh,
stuff like that. Yeah.
yeah, I got you. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. So
What do you listen to?
Me, dude, I don't know, man. I'm fucking music. I'm autistic with this kind of shit, bro. Anything, yeah, just anything, man. Like it comes to like there's this joke that I made where like it could be to something like let's say Brat by like the Brat album from Charlie to let's say fucking Infant Annihilator, bro. Yeah, it's like you know it's literal chop suey ass fucking music taste, bro. But yeah, if you guys had the choice, would you choose carbonara or spaghetti?
Carbonara.
Oh hell yeah! How about you?
Spaghetti.
Okay, fair enough.
I
fair
don't like
enough.
meatballs.
Mm.
I don't like hot dogs on spaghetti. So.
Oh, I see.
But I like spaghetti.
What is your biggest pet peeve in a person?
I have to think about it. You go first.
I don't know. Shit.
What? Come on. Think of something. Just something you don't like in a person. Or if you want to go by today's standards, what is your biggest ick?
Biggest egg. Shit. What's yours?
Probably when they're not listening to me.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
true. That's really true. How about you?
Can I say the same?
Okay, fair enough. Oh, okay.
How about you?
Yeah.
I'd say that, and I'd say elitist. I really hate elitists, man.
Oh
Yeah. People who think and narcissists, bro. People who think too highly of themselves. I really hate those.
People who think that they're the high horse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're so delusional, man. I really hate delusional people, man. And I hate people. Oh, this is the biggest one. People who do not take accountability.
Yeah.
That's the worst. Yeah, man. Okay, last but not least, what do you think is worse? A Drake apologist or Have a B apologist?
I don't know that.
Okay.
Me neither.
Okay, but Drake.
Okay, fair enough.
He's
Fair
a
enough.
pedophile.
Yeah.
I don't. Well, what's wrong with Heather?
He groomed the 17-year-old.
Oh shit.
Okay. Okay,
didn't know
pedophile
that.
and grooming. They're both bad.
Yeah.
But Drake.
Yeah.
Drake.
Okay, fair enough.
Drake.
Yeah. How about you?
Drake.
Okay. Anyway, nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. All right. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Mea from Mga Likha ng Dalawa.
Oh. So, kamusta itong gig overall?
Masaya. Actually, ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-gig. This is actually my first time in ngayong buwan na mag-gig ako. Yun na yun.
So, how does it feel na nanalo ka?
Actually, hindi ko ina-expect. Kasi sabi ko, sasaya lang ako. Tapos, sabi ko, bakit? Kung anong mangyayari, manalo, magsasayaw ako. Tapos, yun na yun, hindi ko na-expect yung panalo.
Ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamagandang pinaka-highlight nitong event na to sa mga lahat ng artists?
Lahat naman. Lahat naman. Wala tayong bias dito.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, last question. Carbonara or spaghetti?
Carbonara! I love carbonara! Spaghetti!
What's up?
Si Lightbringer!
Pwede ako si Lightbringer! Lightbringer! Yun yung banda ko, Lightbringer. Ako si Joseph ako.
Hindi niya pa, no?
May pangalan
May
ako,
identity
guys.
siya. May identity pala siya.
What happened to Graceful? Graceful, bale, yung gitarista namin, siya na lang yung nag-iisang member galing sa Graceful. Tapos, pagtapos nun, ewan ko kung anong nangyari in between them, tapos bumuo na lang kami ng bagong banda. Tinatak lang ako ni Kenshin.
Gitarista,
Tapos,
Kenshin?
Oo. Tapos ayun, bagong banda pero nag-decide kami na yung lumang kanta ng Graceful, gamitin pa rin. Pero since sumali ako, mas gusto ko, ibahin yung lyrics.
Kamusta naman yung vibes ng art market na yun?
Art market, napakaganda niya kasi may tugtugan na talagang mapapasayaw ka. Tsaka ang daming tao, ang dami mong iikutin. Tapos yung pinakamaganda sa lahat, libreng entrance. So lahat ng pera mo gagamitin mo sa pag-support ng sinong artist ka bibili.
Yun! Ito, kung meron kang isang artist na pwede mong i-delete sa OPM, sino yun?
Check out nyo si Ian Lofamia.
Delete delete!
Ay, delete. Cut nyo yun.
Cut.
Delete pala, putik. Akala ko stream. Ayoko magbigay kasi medyo baka maging controversial to eh.
Sige, sino bang
Basta support local artist.
Ito na lang. Sino yung gusto mong i-collab if ever?
Collab. Ian Lofamia. Check him out. That's my idol.
Last question. Kung meron kang pipiliin sa dalawa, anong pipiliin mo? Carbonara or spaghetti?
Depende kung saan pero generally carbonara.
Carbonara gaming.
Carbonara never goes wrong.
Yeah, Again, Joseph from Lightbringer. Check nyo out.
Pwede
Check
ba
it out.
magsalita? Join Mas Orgs.
Yan! Last words? Meron pa?
I love you.
Uy! Whoa!
Elijah. Yeah! So, what are your thoughts on Walk Trip? They're gonna be next.
To be honest, this is my first time catching them.
Oh, you're on for a ride, bro. You're on for a ride.
That's why I'm excited.
Oh, yeah, man.
Dali na to.
so this is one of the King of Mosh, Tito Salo, JRC. Let's go, it's Raven. So ano yan, kamusta yung pinakaunang experience mo sa pagmamosh? Sa mosh pit?
Nagulat ako na hindi kasi ako sanay dun dati. Kaya nagulat ako.
Ooh, so
First time ko na starstruck ako.
Akas naman.
Parang ganun na pakikisama sa mga tao.
Solid. So ano naman yung parang core memory doon sa mosh pit, sa mga mosh pit na daan mo? Kasi ang dami, meron isa yung inilagan mo sa
Yung
pit.
core memory sa akin, yung naka-boxing gloves ako.
Ay, gagawin sa imo, yung sa mosh pit. Mosh pit 2.
Yung pinaka-iconic sa akin.
Tangina, nakahubad ka nun.
Parang akong bida nun, tol.
Solid.
Memory ko sa lahat ng...
Paano sa Navarrete? At dahil nandiyan ka Navarrete, kumarating na ang takpa oras. Pars, nakita ko sa'yo na kailangan mo na nangalan. Ito ang gagawin natin, may kakaiba, 2024 na, di ba? Kailangan ko pa ng isang tao. Ito na. Huwag pumitulak si Ador, doon mo na. Face reveal, idol, face reveal. Face reveal. Balik mo na lang para, sorry. Nakalang buhay ito. Pare bukas may trabaho, ba't naging lang? Idol, gagawa tayo ng kakaiba. 2024 na. Ito yung tinatawag na connection, na plug. Etong style na to, nanggaling ka sa East Virginia. Idol, pagpasa ko sa'yo, papasa mo sa'yo. Ayos ba tayo doon? Ayos ba tayo doon? Yes, we are! Ayos ba tayo doon? Papagal mo yan. Baka. Ito na, taas yung kamay nyo! Hawakan nyo, ito yung pinaka-crucial. Hawak mo sa kanya, hawakan mo siya.
So ano thoughts mo naman sa performance sa walk trip na yun?
Maganda, nakasingit.
Angas, takila. Bakit ko kala ko magde-death ground ka lalawan as usual. Solid nun. Kasi to usually pag kunwari may gig yung walk trip, tangina backup vocals to eh. Di ko nga alam ba't di ka nga vocals ng band eh. Solid, gagi.
Lang ako, part lang ako sa isang song.
So paano ka nakapasok naman sa JRC?
Ano lang ako, lap 21. Napasok ako sa JRC. Kasi dapat, it's either pupunta ako sa FNB o dito. Kasi may gig dito na Furiosa, 2 days. Mas pinili ko dito, trip ko pumunta dito, tatambay na ako.
Solid,
Kesa doon, kasi parang ang gulo kasi doon eh.
Sa bagay, Tapos mas mas raw yung vibe eh, di ba? Usually.
Okay, dito naman pumunta lang ako para mag-chill lang. Tapos nag-uusap lang kami ni Dave noon. Tapos sabi ko, pwede ako sumali. Sige, yun lang.
Sige. Siguro mga dalawa na lang tatanungin ko. Una, sino yung pinaka-maangas na member sa JRC para sa'yo?
Lahat.
Lahat. Wow.
Lahat yan. Ito, maangas yan. Kahit yung JRC yan.
Si Venom!
Pakita mo. Venom! Sige. Last question. Kung may kinakain ka ngayon, anong kinakain mo?
Kinakain ko? Siguro dinakdakan.
Uy, solid! Solid, pare. Ikaw, kung meron kang kinakain, anong kinakain mo?
Sa akin, champurado na may tuyo.
OG! Anyway, nice meeting you guys talaga. Solid talaga. Ikaw rin, nice meeting you. Yun.
Sana all.
Ayan. Ba't mo pinili itong tattoo na to?
Kasi mahilig ako sa daga. Miserable Rats.
Yun. Angas Fresh ink. Magkano ginastos mo para dyan?
3K.
Oh, shit. Solid ah. Ang pangalan mo?
Mix.
Angelo, nice meeting you. Yo, what's up? My special guest, si Mr. Ano ng Bad Wave. Introduce yourself.
Hey guys, I'm Spunky.
Yay!
Commander Cobra.
Oh, solid.
Hey.
Alright, first question. Paano ba nagsimula ng Bad Wave at saan mo nakuha yung pangalan ng Bad Wave?
Nag-start sa year 1989. Ano ba? Nung pandemic kasi yun, pandemic. Tapos, gumawa kami ng project band. Kaya Bad Wave kasi, nung unang era ng Bad Wave, turnstile ng bagsakan namin.
Oh, solid
Tapos,
yun.
Isa sa influence kasi yun eh. Lalo yung mga unang album nila. And then, katas ng pandemic, umarakada na eh. Sunod-sunod na yung gig eh.
Solid! Alright, so second na gusto ko na tanongin, siyempre sa gig nyo, di ba, ang intro nyo parang magtutugtog na kayo mga OPM, classic OPM, di ba? Tapos magsasayaw kayo. Saan mo ba parang nakuha yan? Parang
dito. Para alam mo yung kontra umay lang. Masyado maingay, di ba?
Oo, di ba?
Magalit kapit ba? Hindi. Kumbaga parang, ako kasi, ako nagsiset nun eh. Kadalasan, ang ginagawa ko, kung ano lang yung feel ko ng araw na yun na kantayin, kung ano yung narinig ko.
Oo.
O kaya yung parang, kung ano pumasok sa isip ko, na parang, sarap nung kantayin ah. Kantayin nga natin.
Oo.
Para, ma-relax lang. Tsaka nag-e-enjoy yun.
Yun. Pangatlo naman, paano ka nakaan sa Still Ill Records?
Dito mga tropa sila. Before pang magbanda, madalas ako umati noon kasi yun, doon ko sila nakilala and then na-invite na lang din ako na tumugtog. Kaya shoutout Still Ill, thank you.
Yun. Alright, so siguro mga tatlo na tatanungin ko. First one, anong inspiration doon sa Concrete Surfer?
Ano yun tungkol sa skateboard yun. Oli.
Oh! Yeah! Yun.
Dito sa about kasi yung namin yung dito yung influence ng banda namin talagang pure skateboarding kami. So, syempre sa alang-alang sa passion, gumawa kami ng kanta para dedicate para dun sa
Sabagay, dapat sit ko.
namin.
Sabagay, dapat sit ko ever since kahit sa mga unang demo mo, it's all about the skater culture
Yes,
talaga eh. Yun nga eh. Tapos diba, especially since na yung naano nyo kay Commander Cobra ba yun?
Oh, yeah.
Pero sige, okay lang. Siyempre dapat ikaw yung bida eh. So yun nga, siyempre, parang naano mo si Commander Cobra. Saan mo ba siya nakilala?
Sino?
Si Commander Cobra. Ikaw ba yun?
Ako yun eh.
Ay, ikaw yun! Gagi! Uy, siya pala si Commander. Gagi! Oh, so
follow niyo yung page tsaka yung
yeah, YouTube, follow niyo. Ang dami niyan, hindi lang yun puro gigs, may bakaski. Oh my God, I am so honored talaga. Okay, another thing.
Anong pangalan ng vlog mo? Anong pang?
Yaps and Noise. Kasi, di ba, mga Gen Z kasi, pag maingay ka, tas puro kadaldal, ang tawag doon, yapping.
Yapping.
Yapping ang tawag doon. Pag puro kadaldal, tas Gen Z ka, di ba? Tapos, syempre, and Noise, kasi, maingay yung mga trip ko matugtog eh.
Yes.
Di ba? Kaya yun, doon nagsimula yung Yaps and Noise. So,
Page yung page.
Page.
Follow niyo yan, follow.
Yun. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, lahat. Okay, 2 more questions. So una, paano mo naman nakilala si Dave? Kasi balita ko, yung unang guitarist ng Walk Trip, naging guitarist nyo na.
Teka, wait lang Kasi yung unang-unang Walk Trip, ang naalala ko, doon sila nagpa-practice kila Jessie.
Yun
Si Jessie, naging part din siya ng Walk Trip.
Kasi
Tapos, naalala ko nun, nagpa-practice kami ng banda nun, tapos kasabay din yung Walk Trip. Buo pa lang yung Walk Trip. Tapos, nakasabay namin sila, nagkaroon ng skate event, compi dito sa Valenzuela.
Gusto mo doon?
Nandun ka ba nun?
Hindi! Pero nalaman ko lang kasi yun nga, nagkwento-kwento kasi kami.
Hanggang yung Walk Trip, nandito na rin, nakasabay na sa gig. Galing, solid.
Sige, syempre last question, Kung meron kang kinakain na ulam, anong kinakain mo ngayon?
Ngayon? Yung araw?
Yung araw. As in right now, kung kunwari may kinakain ka ngayon na.
Wala, ito lang.
Hindi, kunwari lang.
Kakainin ko?
Oo.
Teka, ano yung papasok sa isip ko?
siguro adobo.
Ooh, solid.
Nagmamantika tapos
Oh,
tuyo, no?
solid. Anyway, this is Bad Wave. Meron ka bang mga future gigs or project na gusto mo i-out sa crowd?
Wait lang. Sige, ano bang date ngayon?
August 10.
August 10. Kanina may gig kami, benefit show. Next week, 17, sa Sagiho.
Uy, abangan nyo yan.
Pluto Studios, anniversary. Kasama namin mayonnaise to.
Uy, tayo na lang, dalawa. Oh, tapos mag-crowd killing pa siya.
Two step lang. Yung kasama namin yun. Tsaka yung ibang band, dami na.
Dami eh.
Tapos, September 24, meron kami merch fest naman sa Metro Tep.
Uy.
Kasama namin Bird, The Jerks, Moro Beats. Iba
Solid.
yun. Iba to.
Oh.
Tapos yung 25, Chico Sai, TNG.
Uy.
Sa ano kami sa...
Ang sa halos lahat ng lineup chops eh. Hindi lang puro hardcore.
Oo, siyempre. Masarap tumugtog kapag may mga nakilala ka din sa music. Tsaka,
diba?
nakaka-inspire na, di ba?
Yun, yeah.
Kasama mo sila.
Oh.
Masaya yung hindi ka kulong lang sa trip mo. Baka na-enjoy mo rin yung ginagawa mo at the same time, yung passion mo.
Oh yeah. Yun. So this is the vocalist of Bad Wave, and this is Angelo signing out. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Salam. So yeah, this is the end of the TFL Elijah's birthday gig recap. As a birthday man, any last words that you want to say? Yeah! Wake me up. Yeah!
Don't wake me up because this entire show feels like a dream.
Oh, hey! Anyway, that's it. That's the whole birthday gig. This is Gaps and Noise signing off.
Salamat sa pagpunta dito, guys!
Yeah!
Kami nga po pala ang anak ni Pilay at anak ni Waray.
Oh!
Anak ni Pilay versus anak ni Waray. Ang aming drummer nga po pala ay si Nara Shira. Ganda po ng audience namin. Grabe, parang
Secret show! Secret show!
parang uulit.